Hello everyone, long time no see. Yes, this is Johnny from Shenzhen KSD Cable. And as you know, Shenzhen KSD Cable is one of the biggest manufacturers of fiber optic cable in China. And we have more than 17 years experience in fiber optic cable and accessories. So we have our customers from all over the world, and we have sold to more than 130 countries. And for our factory is very big, and we have more than 20 production lines and over 200 workers. So that can meet your needs. So today I'd like to introduce the patch cord. Yes, as you can see, this is a special patch cord. This is a multi-mode patch cord. Yes, this is duplex. Yes, this is FC UPC, and this one is LC UPC. For both ends, we can change for you. For the type, we have LC, SC, ST, and FC, and you can change. You need a simplex or duplex, and a single mode or multi-mode. Yes. So let's see the FC UPC. When we use it, open it. This is the dust cap. Yes. So direct in and direct out, and don't use overhand to touch it. It can influence the transmission. So this is FC UPC, and this one, blue one, is UPC. So this is LC UPC duplex. Yes. The same use. Open the dust cap and press here to put in and out. Yes. It's very easy to use. So if you're interested in our products, just leave your message and we have professional sales to contact with you. So see you next time. Bye.